Hey there! Is this the first time you're meeting a customer that's ready to pay with your points? Let me show you how it works. First, the customer will pull up the app and they will look up your business profile. Once they're on your business profile, they will double check that it's the right location and the right business name, and if this is accurate, they will tap Redeem Here. As a reminder, when you're making a redemption, it means that the customer is going to pay some of their total amount or their total amount with their points, and 1 point equals $1. Once you give them the total, the customer will input the amount of points they want to redeem at your business and they will tap Redeem Now. This will generate a receipt with a green check mark, and that shows you that the customer just paid you this many points. Every business is reimbursed with these points at the end of every month. It's that easy.